In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete DeepSeek AI account. Let's walk through the process clearly and carefully, so you know exactly what to expect. Deleting an account is permanent, and it may remove your data and access right away, so keep that in mind before you continue. Once you're ready, open DeepSeek AI and make sure you're signed in. We'll start right from the main screen. Begin by selecting your account icon at the bottom of the screen. This is the small avatar or profile picture that represents your account. It's typically positioned along the bottom bar, and tapping it will open your account area. Next, go into the Settings menu. Look for the gear-shaped icon labeled Settings. This is where the app keeps all of the controls related to your account preferences, privacy, and account management. Tap it to open the Settings panel. Inside Settings, find and open the Profile section. This is the place that stores your personal account details. Tapping Profile brings up options that are specific to your account identity and status. Within Profile, look for the option to delete your account. It may be labeled Delete Account. Tap the Delete option to move forward. The app will now guide you through confirmation because deleting an account is a serious and irreversible step. You'll see an on-screen prompt asking you to type a confirmation phrase exactly as shown. This is a safeguard to make sure the deletion is intentional. For example, your screen might require that you enter a phrase like, "Delete my account." Type the phrase precisely as it appears, paying attention to spacing and capitalization. If the wording on your screen differs, follow what you see there. After entering the phrase correctly, confirm that you want to delete your account. Once you confirm, the deletion process begins. You may be signed out immediately, and your access to features will end. If you get any final prompts, simply follow them to complete the process. That's all there is to it. Tap your profile icon, open Settings, go to Profile, choose Delete Account, type the required confirmation phrase exactly, and confirm. Thanks for following along. If this walkthrough helped, take a moment to double-check that your account is fully removed and that you're no longer signed in. And remember, once deleted, recovery is typically not possible, so proceed only when you're absolutely sure.